Hello folks, this is Aditya from inspiredwise.com and today we are going to talk about the Xiaomi Redmi 7. So guys, we'll start off with an unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the Xiaomi Redmi 7. Nice made in India sticker at the back. And this device is one of the latest budget smartphones by Xiaomi. Inside you get the smartphone which we took out earlier. And you also get the SIM tray slot removal pin for this one. And this is the warranty card documentation. On the inside, it has a soft TPU case cover which is in black color. Looks good, provides okay level of protection, not really that great, and you get a USB type A to micro USB cable, and you also get a adapter for this one which is not a fast charging adapter, and as can be seen over here, very less ampere is supported on this adapter. Now let's talk about the built-in design for this smartphone. It comes in 3 colors and it looks really cool, and the back has a nice glossy finish polycarbonate body. It's available in lunar red, eclipse black and comet blue colors, and at the back there's the fingerprint sensor along with the dual camera setup, and at the front you can see that there's the dot notch design along with the earpiece. At the bottom there's a slightly huge chin, and the right hand side has the power button and the volume rocker. If you look carefully at the bottom, there's the speaker grill along with the micro USB port, and if you also look carefully at the left hand side, there's the SIM tray slot which supports a dedicated micro SD expansion. At the top there's an infrared sensor along with a 3.5mm jack. It has a 6.26 inch dot notch HD plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The viewing angles were good and the display itself is pretty good for a lot of people. And if you talk about few other things like zoom to fill etc., that's supported on most of the applications. And if you talk about the specifications, it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 chipset on the inside and has 64GB or 32GB of storage. There's also 3GB RAM variant or 2GB RAM variant, and overall I believe that this is one of the better budget options for a lot of people out there. In terms of battery capacity, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery which can easily last you longer than a day, and in terms of sensors, it comes with every sensor required for a great smartphone experience. If you talk about Redmi 7 benchmark performance, it's greater than almost any other competing smartphone in similar price range because most of them do not come with so powerful chipsets. And we tested Snapdragon 632 on the Redmi Y3, so we already know that it's a capable chipset for a lot of activities, but something like PUBG would run on low settings on this one. Smooth or high FPS is possible, and even on that there were some micro stutters and lags which were visible on this device. If you talk about the Xiaomi Redmi 7 camera experience, it comes with a good camera in this price segment. It has a 12MP f2.2 1.25 micrometer camera, and at the back there's the 2 megapixel depth sensor also along with this one. The shots were okay for the price, and I believe that maybe the camera is something which can be further rectified in future via software updates. The front camera is a 8 megapixel one with f2.0 aperture and 1.12 micrometer pixel size. Overall I felt that the colors were a little bit off. I think it's more because of the image algorithm and not a big issue which can't be fixed in the near future. The videos were 1080p at 30 fps, and I believe that the videos could definitely use a little bit more of sharpening and noise reduction. If you talk about cam to API support, it was around level 3, which means that it would be really tough to install Gcam on this one. And if you talk about the software experience, it comes with MIUI based upon Android 9 Pie. So the MIUI experience is good in itself, but if you talk about the advertisements, there are a lot of adverts on the MIUI, and in order to disable them, it's a tough task. And now let's take a closer look at the sound experience. The max volume could definitely have been better, and this device does support full screen videos on YouTube etc. So I guess for the budget segment that this device comes in, it would be a great device for watching videos and everything, and it does offer good specs and price and everything. But the thing is that if you spend a little bit more, you can go for something like the Redmi Note 7 etc. And this device is good for the basic 2GB RAM variant if you buy that one with 32GB storage, which would retail for a price of 7,999 rupees. And for that entry level pricing, I guess it's a good choice for a lot of people who are just following into the world of smartphones. But if you're somebody who's gonna buy the 3GB and 32GB variant, which would be much better off, then that would be around 8,999 rupees. And if you just increase your budget by 1,000 more, you can go for the Redmi Note 7. So the first sale would start from 29th of April 12 noon, and it would be available with Jio's digital life offer for double data with cashback offers. And I guess all of these offers are okay, but at the end of the day, you have to decide what kind of smartphone you want to buy. Is it something which is just in the budget segment like this one, or maybe you want to spend a little bit more and go for something like the Redmi Note 7 or few other devices by other competing manufacturers which come with the Snapdragon 660, which is a much powerful chipset. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.